Hey, buddy. Say hi to Grammy.
Wave to Grammy. Wave that hand in the air like you just don't care.
Gail Hernandez. Gail, welcome back. This is your second chance. Make the most of it.
Okay, cry for Grammy too.
You like that finger, don't you?
Suck Daddy's finger for Grammy.
Each of you will be ranked based on your performance in your first round fight. It is in your best interest
Woo!
to not just win, but to
Hi, buddy. Hi. Look at that nice skin.
You gonna say hi to Grammy?
Where's my little pumpkin? Oh, stretch. Oh, stretch.
Hey, buddy. What's happening? You gonna make some noise? There you go. Say hi to Grammy. Yeah. She doesn't know we're making this video right now. We're surprising her. What do you have here? A little teddy bear? Oh, look at that. What do you think of your teddy bear? You got anything else to say? Okay, I'm gonna stop this now. You're on camera. If you're gonna be a ham, now's the time. I know you got it in you.
Hey, Van.
Are you gonna be a ham? Are you gonna be a ham? Bless you. Yeah, you think about that sneeze. And that plane going overhead. What's that noise? Is that a helicopter? I think it's a helicopter. In a minute.
Hey, buddy. What you doing? You gonna talk to us today? Oh, you got the hiccups.
Got little buddies there for him too.
Yeah, look at your little buddies.
Hey, buddies.
Yeah, little buddies are cute. Oh, I think you just tooted.
Oh yeah. On video.
Good job. Okay, we'll catch you a little later. So this is Van snoring and smiling.
I gotta turn the light on. Stop this for a second.